Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can clear all chat in a group chat on WhatsApp application. Okay, first of all, let's just open our WhatsApp application on our phone, and then we're going to select a group chat. We want to clear the chat, and for example, I'm going to select this one. So we can tap on it to open the group chat. Then we can tap on this three dots button on the group chat, and we can click on more option. And since we want to clear chat, we can tap on clear chat. Then here you can clear all chat in your group chat. You can also select delete media received in this chat from the device gallery or not. If you want to delete your media, you can keep this check mark button. But if you do not want to delete the media received, you can click on this checkbox. Okay, and I'm just going to delete it. Then we can click on clear chat and just wait for a moment. Okay, now all the all of the chats on this group chat has been cleared, and that's how we can clear all chat in a group chat on WhatsApp application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.